Hello friends, if you like my videos then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please send us your questions through comment box and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my videos. Cancer, the fourth sign of the zodiac, is all about home. Those born under this sign are maternal, domestic and love to nurture others. Cancers will certainly be merry if their home life is serene and harmonious. Since these folks prize family history and love communal activities, they also tend to be patriotic. Those born under this sign wear their heart on their sleeve, which is just fine by them. The mascot of Cancer is the crab, and much like this shelled little critter, Cancers are quick to retreat into their shells if it suits their mood. The flip side of this hiding is that shell-bound crabs are often quite moody. Further, in keeping with their difficulty in sharing their innermost feelings, but give them time and eventually these folks will come out to play again. It's said that crabs are first to laugh and first to cry, so you can bet they'll fill you in. These folks are tenacious and strong-willed and like to get their way. If their well-documented kindness and gentleness doesn't do the trick, however, they're not above using emotional manipulation to make things happen. If that still doesn't work, they'll just go back to their shell and sulk, or find a way to get back at the source of their pain, since crabs can be rather vindictive. Cancers are ruled by the moon. The moon is associated with fertility, a quality that is most pleasing to Cancers. The moon is also the ruler of moods, and Cancers have plenty of those. Crabs find it easy to be sympathetic to others and are quick to show their affection. Their intuition is also a great help to them, especially in times of stress. The element associated with Cancer is water. Like the rolling waves of the sea, the crab's emotions can make quite a splash. These folks tend to pick up on things and bring them in, with the outward result ranging from sentimentality to possessiveness. Crabs need to resist the temptation to become selfish or to feel sorry for themselves, since this behavior won't help. On the bright side, Cancers are good with money, probably because they value a sense of security. Crabs are also quick to help others, and keeping with their nurturing bent, they are a whiz with food. Team sports are always nice with Cancer, since they offer a sense of community. Water polo should be elemental to aquatic crabs. Their colors are silver and white. Since Cancers have a tendency to be lazy, however, they may need someone to push them out the door. In the game of love, eager crabs are devoted, romantic and able to get things going on their own. Crabs are wise to listen to their gut, since this sign rules the stomach. The great strength of the Cancer-born is the tenacity with which they protect their loved ones. It's that nurturing instinct which makes Cancers a pleasure to be with.